Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back to my craft room. I have this fun little Valentine's kit listed in my Etsy shop, and I wanted to share all of the pieces that are in this kit. So let me get this open and I will show you all the different pieces. This kit is a mix of vintage and handmade items, and then also some new items. So I'll start just right here in the middle. So you have a couple tags. These are fabric tags that you can finish off and decorate however you want. And I just love these fabrics. They're so fun for Valentine's Day. So you could journal about, if you do Valentine's with your girlfriends or with your mate, and then you can put that on a fun little journal page. Also have this fun little side pocket journal tag with a little cutout inside, and you could journal on the back of that as well. You also get 3 yards of this pink and white twine and red and white twine. Perfect to finish off those tags. You also get some handmade stickers by me, so some hearts, and then also throwing in some fun little spring stickers as well. And these are made by me. And then an embossed card. I embossed this and then inked it up, and I think it's with tattered rose. And then you'll also get this really fun, I forget what this paper is called, but it almost looks like a handmade paper, but has little hearts in it. Thought that was sweet. And then look at this adorable Minnie Mouse heart paper. You could fold that up and tuck it in the side of this card, or you could just glue it down on a journal page. All kinds of options with that. It's so sweet. Love Minnie Mouse. And then you'll get this fun, this is about I think it's a 10 by 10 piece of fabric. And I think it's so sweet. It has the hearts and it has all kinds of different little creatures, but the color is so pretty. You could make tags out of this. You could make little fabric flips. You could use it for tabs on the edge of a page. Tons of options with that fabric. And then you get an avocado dyed envelope and 2 avocado dyed pieces of paper that I have made. And then you get this piece of fun tissue paper, heart tissue paper. Has a little sparkle in it. And then you get a variety of die cuts. These are die cuts that I have made. Aren't those awesome? I love these. And you can layer and stack them. So there's some red ones here. So you could put these on top of that one. Or you could so lots of different options. And then just some plain red hearts. So you could use these as a base for clusters. All different types of options. And then a few of these as well. So I love the little die cuts. You also get about a yard of each of these. These is seam binding, and they're in different colors. So here we have a red color, we have a pinky purple color, a really light pink, and then a little bit darker pink. And this is seam binding that I have made. Love those. You'll also get this antique crochet piece here from the 1800s. You'll get this fun little, I forget what these are called, yo-yos, I think. And those, you can, use that as a base of a cluster. You could take a heart and put that like that, or even like that, and then put something else on top of that. So cute. And then I saw these at Michael's, but I thought, well, heck, I could make these. So I made these fun little heart paper clips in red and pink. And it was much cheaper to make them than to buy them. And then here we have an antique Valentine and that sweet little girl holding her baby doll from 1924. And then you have this antique postcard, and I thought this was perfect for Valentine's. So pretty. And this is a replica postcard, but I just thought that was gorgeous. And then in this little bundle here, you have some playing cards, roses, appropriate for Valentine's Day, and some love stamps. You'll also get these pretty little, I don't know if it's what this material is, if it's silk or rayon, but sweet little roses. And then I'll pour out the rest of this. A plethora of items in here. So you get a wax seal, heart wax seal. Love that. Oh, that could look cute. Oops. In the center of that. Look at that. How fun. So many options. And then a whole bunch of pink, red, and white buttons. You could always never have enough buttons. So there's 12 buttons, and then these sweet heart jimmies, and then a little bit of bling, some red bling, and then some charms, some heart charms. So you'll get these 6 heart charms, and I like the gold and the silver together. So that is everything that comes in the kit. Like I said, it is over on my Etsy shop. And there's just one kit, so if you want to be the first one to get there, then be the first one to get there. All right, thank you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.